Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now, this comes to me from EverydayEcrafts, and I want to say thank you to them for sending these to me for review and to share them with y'all. I really like this company. They have really got a lot of great canvases. They have a lot of great products, and their prices are really budget friendly, and I think you should all go check them out. And again, like I said, I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. Alright, so what did I get? Okay, so first off, we're just going to pull this out. Now, first off, of course, I had to jump on the bandwagon with everybody else and get one of these trays. If y'all have been following me, you know I like these little trays, and I had to get both of them. Or, well, I had to get one of each color. There's actually 4 trays, and well, okay. Alright, so there is a purple one that looks like this, and then there's a green one that looks like this. So I just got one of each. They both come with the stoppers. And this one just puts me in mind of an apple, and then this one just put me in mind of a plum. Did I put that in wrong? Yeah. So both of these were $1.99 on EverydayEcrafts, and I do not have any drills out to check. Wow. Okay. You know what? Let me pause and see if I can find some drills. Okay, I found some. So I'm just going to bring y'all down a little bit. And these are just some that I had laying around. And now these might have some static in them, but they're lining up really good. Because usually, before I start using a new tray, I usually take a fabric softener sheet and I take and rub it around. But that's actually pretty good. But I usually rub it around the tray. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a line right across that tray that they are getting stuck on, which is not a big deal. I can probably smooth that out, and it probably is just, oh yeah, it just needs to be smoothed out. Not a big deal. Alright, and I'm just going to pour them right into this tray. Yeah, it just needs to be rubbed down with a good grief, a fabric sheet. I'll get it out here in a minute. Okay, these little buggers got stuck. Okay. I'm going to put that back in there, and then we're going to try this one. And again, these shake in there really good. I'm not used to a smaller tray like this, but yeah, look. Not bad. Not bad at all. And they even fall down really good. I like it. Not only are they cute, but I like that they line up pretty good. Other than they just need to be wiped down with a... They really just need to be cleaned and then wiped down with a softener sheet. Woo! And I'm going to make a mesh. You know what? I will put these in there later because this is just a little bit bigger than my little container there to do that with. I need to just take the whole lid off. I ain't got time because I don't want to make a real long video. Alright. So we know this works. You know what? Let me just pause. Okay. See, I just took that off. I don't know why I was trying to make it so hard on myself. Okay. So, like I said, $1.99 each for those on EverydayEcrafts. Too cute. Alright, so the next thing that I got was a pen. Now, I don't have any of these, and I thought it was cute. So, I thought, why not just get one? And this pen, if I can figure out how to open it, this pen was $1.99, and this is called a diamond painting pen purple. And as you can see, it is purple. But look at that. Is that not pretty? And it's light, but it's made well. But is that not pretty? And then there's the end. But this $1.99, come on. And I don't know if I told y'all. Yeah, these were called bead sorting trays. So $1.99, $1.99, $1.99. Okay. So, let me just move the bag. Throw the bag away. Alright, so I'm going to bring you back up just a little bit. And we got a diamond painting. And this is a 30 by 40. It comes with your standard regular toolkit, which is a pink pen, your little fingers of wax, and your green boat, which is all you need to diamond paint. It's all you gotta have. These are pre-bagged, which is lovely. No kidding up unless you don't like working in the bags, which I don't have a problem with. Palette is very pretty. Different colors of greens, some grays, some pinks, some blues, some browns. And this is a round full drill. And let me just move them over. This is what I got. Let me pull y'all up a little bit more. So, as you can see, this is a Gorjuss Girl. And I had to get this one because I seen it. And I had not seen this one before. And I thought it was cute. And I liked the colors in it. And of course I like the little squirrel. Missed a drill. Alright, so let me bring it back down. Alright, there's the thumbnail. It is a 30 by 40. Oh, well, while I have you up here, you can see that the drill field looks really good. And she has got 18 colors. Does have the DMC. Sticky is good. But she is hugging the tree. She's got a squirrel over here. She's got her little striped socks, a little purple dress, a little bow in her hair. She's got a heart dangling off the limb. I don't know if this is a fall picture or spring. Maybe the leaves are just now starting or what. But it's cute. I don't know if she's hugging the tree because she's sad or I don't know. There's a story there, maybe. But it's cute. Now, this was called Little Girl Holding Tree Trunk, 30 by 40, and this was $7.99 on EverydayEcrafts. But I thought it was really cute. So, alright, so I'm going to flip this one over. And then the next one that I got, the last one that I got, oh, come on, we're stuck. Okay. This one is also a 30 by 40. Standard toolkit, green boat, wax, pink pen. Now this comes in the train. It is also a round. And there's all the blues. We've got pinks and purples. I don't know if you can see the colors. Some greens. There's some pinks and purples. Very, very pretty palette. Alright, let me roll this one backwards. Alright, this is what I got. I thought it was pretty. I'd never seen this one before either, and it is just a colorful dragon, and it is reading. But it's different, and it's something different than what I normally get, but I really like the colors. It jumped out at me as I was scrolling through, looking at stuff. And I was like, you know what? That is really pretty, and it's different, and I don't have anything like that, really. So, I got it. But it has 24 colors. It does have the DMC. But isn't it pretty? It's got a crown. It's got a bunch of roses. Got a moon in behind her. Looks like maybe that might be a galaxy, maybe. And it's got another rose. Some flowers. And then the book. And I think that might be a bookmark. And I don't know what this is unless it's like laying on a cloud or something. I don't know. Maybe that's either a tree or the tail. I don't know. I can't tell. So what do y'all think? So this one is called Little Dragon, and this one was $6.99. But I thought it was pretty. And as you can see, it looks really good. Good stick. Really good stick. So what do y'all think? So EverydayEcrafts right now is doing free shipping over $50, I think it is. So if you purchase $50 or more, your shipping is free. But y'all, they've got some really nice stuff. They really do. And you just have to look. They have all kinds of stuff. So what do y'all think? Which item is your favorite? And it's like every time I turn around, they're coming out with brand new Gorjuss Girl stuff. I can't keep up anymore. When I first started collecting the Gorjuss Girls, I thought I would be able to get them all, but there's just absolutely no way. No way possible. So alright, y'all. I will leave a link to all of this in my description box, and I will also leave a link to EverydayEcrafts in my description box. So that way, if you want any of this, you can go straight to it. If they have it in stock, it will be in my description box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.